Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing the STI style spoiler onto the VB today. Let's see how we do it. So this particular spoiler is from Zero Offset, and as you can see in the clips here, it is the one without the grooves underneath the center, which is really good, and I believe it'll stop the wind whistle noises that people are getting from the versions previously, but we'll see once it's all test fitted. So this is what you get included with the kit. You get the spoiler itself. I believe it's like a 5-piece, so you get the two feet, the left and right, you get the center wing blade, and then you get some little covers that go on either side to cover up the holes. You also get a mounting kit which comes with a variety of hardware. Also get some double-sided tape and some templates plus some instructions as well. With the double-sided tape, we're going to be changing it up. I've got some 3M tape. I don't usually trust the tape that's provided by the manufacturer of these items, so we're going to put some legit 3M tape on it and seal it all up. So we're going to start off by assembling the spoiler and test fitting it to the car. We'll also look at using some painter's tape just to put on top of the trunk itself, so when we're drilling we've got a good area where we can mark. Also using the painter's tape to hold the templates in place, and once we're happy with that, we'll start drilling the holes. So just on the below here, the templates are actually cut to size, a couple millimeters out from the top and the bottom here. So the original idea of placing tape underneath is not necessary, but if you like, you can still do so. What I'm going to do is just tape these down, and we're going to get to drilling. Now with the other side, or the templates provided, they actually gave me two of the same side. Cost effective, I don't know, but yeah, you still can see the marks come through the underside, but this is for the right side here. We'll go on here, so like that. And we're going to try and line it up obviously the best as we can, make some small marks so we can drill. Don't want to be drilling multiple times, and we'll see how we go. So we've got the templates in place, and I've marked through these holes here. So there's 3, 1, 2, 3, and then also on the other side you've got 1, 2 here, 2 here, and 3 here. We're going to put the spoiler on and test fit it and see how it looks and lines up, and if I need to mark it again, I'll mark it again. So as you can see, I have just test fit the spoiler with all the templates. What we're trying to do is we're trying to align this section here with the lip spoiler so that it's all even on either side, and then obviously the spoiler should be central enough, but the way it looks and the way it sits, I'm pretty happy with it. Very hard to tell this close up, but it sits about that far back. I've marked out where the feet are actually ending here, which is good indication for when I put it back down here. I did it on the other side as well, so we've got an indication of where it's going to go. So there are a few clips here. We're just going to use a plastic removal tool or a flathead screwdriver just to remove these clips here, and we'll take off the cover, and then we can start drilling. Particular spots that I was mentioning before is the area here where we're going to be drilling through, and we don't want to be hitting the seal here. So microfiber towel, we'll raise it up a little bit, no problem. If you got the chance to take off the trunk, you can, but it's not needed. But yeah. So guys, there was a little bit of a fuck around with a couple of the holes, just because there is additional metal. There's not just one sheet, there's about like 3 sheets of metal that you actually have to drill through. So highly suggest a 20mm hole saw to be able to cut through both them additional pieces of metal. Obviously not the top of your trunk, but the inner sides of the the trunk for you to be able to get in your socket set and do up the nuts tight. I've also popped in 3M tape on either side. We're going to let this sit there for 24 hours and let it stick, and then possibly come back around the edges with some No More Gaps or silicone, black silicone, and just make sure that it's all watertight, but it is pretty tight with the tape. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hopefully this has been enjoyable and you've learned something. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.